Hello, Albert Granda here. I want to tell you about a great way that you can take free video courses. Later on in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can do it. But look at some of the courses that you get. They're all free until April 9th. You can quilt, you can make cakes, knitting, cooking, photo, painting, drawing, baking, paper crafts, crochet, on and on, wood, garden, family, weave. All these classes are free until April 9th. Stay tuned in the video. I'm going to tell you how to sign up, how you get them. No, you don't need a credit card. You don't need anything. All you need is an email address, and you can sign up for free. And I'll get right to it right now. Hi guys, this is Albert Grande from PizzaTherapy.com. I want to tell you something that's really cool that's happening right now. This is very time sensitive. This website is offering every class for free until April 9th. It's very time sensitive. I want to show you easily how to do it. You are going to click either here, the sign up link, or get started free. Well, let's click that. And then you'll come to another page where it says sign me up. You can either hit the sign me up or subscribe. We'll hit the sign me up. And it says put in your email address. And I'll put in an email address. And then you have to create a password. And you'll just do a random password. And then you click start watching. Click right here. Put my email address in, created a password, hit start watching, and bingo, you're right here. All classes, 1,419 classes for free. Let me just give you an example. Okay, let's look over here. I don't know, you could go with baking. Let's go with King Arthur flour. So you come to all these classes. King Arthur flour essentials of bread baking, sandwich rolls, tea biscuits, French bread, any one of them. Let's just check this one, essentials of bread baking. You click it, you're taken to the course. You can preview it or you can watch the whole course now. I'll put links below this video so you can get in. Understand, all the links are affiliate links, so I may get a small compensation if you sign up. Would greatly appreciate it. So make sure, check out the links below. You can watch literally dozens and dozens of free video classes. And again, it's only good until April 9th. This is Albert Grande saying, Pizza on Earth. And make sure you click the link below, and that will take you right there. Easy to sign up, easy to watch some classes. Now that we have a lot of time, great time to learn through video. Thank you so much. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.